The 2007 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, running boards, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, air conditioning, front aluminum wheels, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.